welcome to another video.
AJ.
AJ.
I'm
confused what my name was there. So welcome to another video. Thanks for checking out all the previous videos. We've enjoyed reading all your comments.
Have we?
No, there's not been any yet.
No, there's a lot of things about girls though.
Hey?
What's that all about? Like,
what?
All the girls that got in touch and with the love hearts and all the stuff and
asked
us
yes.
to. I don't know what they asked us to do, but there was definitely a lot of interest
Yeah.
from girly.
One asked if I had a job and could I get a green card.
No, I never saw any of those. I just saw the love hearts and the little.
Anyhow, time for another video. Our kids are always watching YouTube. They're always on YouTube, constantly. In the morning, at night, I keep, Dad, look at this. It's a cat water skiing eating a salmon. And,
It's old stuff, isn't it? You see it every day of the week, twice on Sunday.
Everything. And then they watch people playing video games.
Mm-hmm.
So, and they don't listen to anything I say, ever. You've got kids.
I've got a kid, yeah.
I hear the words come out my mouth.
Yeah.
But there's like a force field that stops it going into the ears. Anyway.
As soon as you start speaking, the shutters go down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I came up with a brilliant idea. Wait till you hear this.
Go for it.
If we want to get through to our kids, if we want them to listen to what we're saying and teach them stuff about life.
Does it involve money?
Well, it can do, but I got a better idea.
Oh, okay, cool.
Make a YouTube video.
Oh, you mean like this?
Yeah.
Hey.
So today's one
Uh-huh.
is going to be on
Okay.
the dishwasher.
Yeah, I'm joking, are you? What the hell do we know about dishwashers? Seriously?
Nothing, but I read a manual, we'll be fine.
You read a manual?
First of all, that's to my kitchen.
My neck's hurting.
Well, it's not my fault, you shocked ass. Welcome. Can I just explain, first of all, that our kitchen is in a state of flux?
Is that the same as disrepair?
Well, no. What's happening is it is being repaired, but at the moment it's like a theme kitchen. The theme being Hiroshima.
Okay, so don't mention the word disrepair.
I don't.
Okay.
Well, there's no floor. Look, there's no floor.
I like the word theme.
Well, there is a floor.
What's it based on? What theme is it based on? Like?
Well, like I said, Hiroshima.
Okay.
Can I ask?
Yeah.
What's this? Why are you wearing an apron? Why?
Well, we're in a kitchen for a start. Do you like it? I mean,
the cookies aprons I could find. And there's basically all sorts of shenanigans going on here. I mean, look at you've got. I can't even see it. So what can you see? You can see a pizza. There's a pizza. There's a cat. That's enough. No. Get the cat. We've got a cat with sunglasses on. We've got somebody fishing down here for toast. It looks like. And the cat's got its legs open. And then there's a.
Down and cat down the bottom and stuff. It's just
Nice.
all go.
It's nice.
It's all go. It's all go.
Anyway, here's the kitchen.
Is that go? So what we're looking.
Yeah.
Over
All
here.
of our videos start with you fingering the camera.
I like a good finger.
So back to the whole idea of this video. The dishwasher. The beginner's guide.
So it's a bit bright in here.
It is very bright.
Right, go for it. Hey.
So first of all, let's run through a couple of things that aren't a dishwasher. Right? Because this is not a dishwasher. 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 This is...
I'm a dishwasher.
That could be a
I am a
dishwasher.
dishwasher. I know.
This is the dishwasher. Where's your finger? Oh, it's there.
There it is.
That's the dishwasher.
Well, there.
This, next to the dishwasher...
It's not the dishwasher.
No, that's a washing machine.
Are you sure?
Well, I think so.
Okay.
So the
Sounds
dirty
like a good one.
dishes go in here.
So you open the door
Yes.
when you realise that this is the dishwasher because
Yes.
we're putting a sticker on it.
Yes, put the sticker
So
on it.
they
That's
come
a good
downstairs.
idea.
They come downstairs
Yes.
with their stuff.
Unless you live in a bungalow.
Okay, and then they just walk towards the kitchen.
Yes.
Open the door.
Yes.
Chuck the stuff in.
No.
don't chuck the stuff in.
Don't throw it in. Carefully place any item, particularly glass, in any one of these magical trays. Look.
Oh, it comes out.
Yes.
Oh yeah,
So
I like
you can
that.
put items in
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Bowls, can I just say, so that I don't go insane, must point down.
Okay.
Incorrect is this away.
Why?
Because it fills up full of water and stuff.
Ah, right. Yeah, that's why I don't use it. You see.
Once it's full of dirty dishes, close it up. Once you've got the dishwasher full of dirty dishes, you need one of these.
One of those fantastic sweeties.
No, it's not a sweetie. It's a dishwasher tab.
Oh, right.
Seriously though, if you're under a certain age, you can't use these.
It looks tasty.
Don't eat the dishwasher tab. They're very dangerous.
Right, so basically, don't show that to
That
your
goes
kids.
in there. That goes in this little flap thing.
Oh, and listen, don't talk to me about flaps.
You close it up, like so, and close the door.
So this last bit that you're doing here, AJ, that is for the adult kids?
Yes.
Not
Oh
for
yeah.
not for the little kids?
No, like cutting out with scissors, you always need an adult present.
Which are the...
So Chili has just pointed out to me that some really rich people have
I didn't want it that way.
cupboard doors stuck to the front of their dishwasher, so it might not look like this. It might look like this,
It's posh like, you know.
or this.
Yeah. And then what do you do?
So that's the end of another video.
Yeah.
We're going to do a few of these because, well, we've had fun. And
Was it informative? It was informative to
I
me.
doubt it very much.
Well,
We've not made an informative video yet.
Well, it's... Again.
So if just one child picks up a plate and puts it in a dishwasher after watching this video, our work is done.
Oh, we'll be so chuffed.
Statues could be put up of us.
Oh, we'll be so chuffed.
We'll take them down the next day, but they could be put
I'll
up.
throw them in the river.
Yeah,
More chance of that.
that's probably true. So thanks as always for checking out the videos. Have a look at some of the other ones. We're going to do some more.
Loads, man.
It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, AJ.